Are you feeling stressed or depressed? Well, I hope you're not, but if you are, this video is for you. Hello, my friends. Today I'm here to share with you 3 poses you can practice daily to help you feel more relaxed. As you know, yoga cultivates mental well-being with mindfulness, relaxation, and deep breathing to ease anxiety, depression, and stress through intentional, gentle movements. So let's start with our first pose. Seated forward fold, taking the legs in front of you, toes facing up. Feel free to bend the knees or keeping the legs straight. Sit up tall, inhale, sweep the arms all the way up to the sky, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fall forward, relaxing the shoulders, the neck, the face, folding from the hips. And we stay here for a few breaths. The second pose is our child's pose. So sending the hips to your heels. Start folding forward, either reaching the arms towards the front of the mat or taking the arms to hug the legs. Feel free to take your knees, if that feels better, mat width apart, and start folding forward, taking the torso between the legs. And we stay here for a few breaths. The third pose is standing forward fold. So you can take your toes to touch or take your legs shoulders distance apart. Keeping your legs straight, or feel free to micro bend the knees, keeping it straight back. Relaxing the whole upper body, letting go of any stress, any tension on the lower back, maybe hugging the elbows or grabbing the opposite arms, either in front of the legs or behind the legs. Relaxing the shoulders, the neck, the face. And we just stay here for a few breaths. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope it really helps you feel better and just overall feel happier. Wishing you all a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you so much for your support. Have a beautiful day.